Hey guys, I hope you are all doing well. I'm feeling great today because I have some exciting news for you from MotionVFX. If you use DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro, you are going to really like what I'm about to tell you. MotionVFX just dropped their biggest sale of the year. It's called the Final Price Cut and it runs from November 3rd to December 7th. This is a really great chance for many creators on social media, on YouTube, on TikTok, Instagram, whatever it may be, because almost everything on the site is heavily discounted right now. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about this promotion. I will cover the main discounts and a few creative plugins that I think are worth checking out during this time. I will also share one of my personal favorites from newly added plugins for DaVinci Resolve. Let's dive in. So what exactly is happening during the final price cut? First, there's a store-wide sale where you can get 30% off everything using the code FINAL. This includes plugins for DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, and of course Premiere Pro. I think it's a rare opportunity because this discount covers so many of their best tools. If you have been waiting to pick up something specific, now is the perfect time. Alright, then things get even better. MotionVFX is also running a series of flash sales throughout this promotion. Every Monday, starting November 3rd, they will release 5 new products with discounts that go up to 50%. Each set of flash sales will only be active for a week, so it's worth visiting the site regularly to see what's new. There are limited time deals, so if something catches your eye, it's best not to wait too long. On top of that, there's a special offer for those interested in subscriptions. All Cine Studio and Design Studio plans are 15% off, and you don't even need a promo code for that one. These subscription services are perfect if you want continuous access to high-quality templates, titles, transitions, and graphics that you can use right away in your editing workflow. Altogether, this is the most complete sale MotionVFX has offered this year. You have the site-wide discounts, the rotating flash sales, and the subscription promo all happening at once. I think it's a great time to refresh your plugin collection or expand your creative options for upcoming projects. Now let's take a look at some creative tools that stand out for DaVinci Resolve users. These aren't brand new plugins, but they are relatively new and absolutely worth exploring, especially during a big sale like this one. Let's start with Scrapbook. This one is for creators who love adding warmth, personality, and a handcrafted feel to their projects. It gives you textures, stickers, and toned paper effects that looks as if you have built a video from pieces of an actual scrapbook. I think it's fantastic for travel vlogs, lifestyle content, and any kind of personal storytelling. The animations are smooth and the layouts are designed to feel organic. If you want to bring some emotion and nostalgia into your edits, Scrapbook is a beautiful option. Okay, next up is Keynote 2. This happens to be one of my personal favorites. It takes inspiration from Apple's design style. It's minimal, elegant, and very polished. The plugin includes more than 100 ready-to-use elements, titles, charts, transitions, and all sorts of motion graphics that instantly make your videos look more professional. It's also easy to customize, so you can make it fit your brand or style perfectly. If you appreciate a simple design that looks premium, Keynote 2 is for you. Finally, let's talk about Explainer Venture. This one is made for educators, entrepreneurs, or anyone who creates finance or business explainer videos. It helps you visualize information clearly and makes your content more engaging. It includes professional titles, icons, infographics, and charts that are all animated with care. You can present data, tell stories, or build pitch videos that look polished and easy to follow. Okay, that covers everything you need to know about the final price cut promotion. Don't forget, the promotion runs from November 3rd until December 7th, and it includes discounts of up to 50%. Make sure to visit MotionVFX's website to see all the deals and explore the flash sales that will be changing every week. There are always a few surprises and you might discover something that fits your exact editing style. I will also leave the link in the description so you can check out the website. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below to let me know which MotionVFX plugins are your favorite ones or which ones you are planning to pick up during this sale. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.